So hello everybody, it's Kev here again and welcome back to another gear review video. As you well know, any gear that I review or recommend has been extensively tested out in the field for at least 12 months. So today we're going to do the Life Ventura titanium plate. Now this has had coming up to close to 3 years, so here we go. Some specifications then. It's 19 by 19 by 3 centimeters. So obviously you've got your 19 diameter and your 3 centimeters tall. It weighs roughly around 56 grams if I can remember rightly. It's advertised to be as strong as steel and it's made from pure titanium. So as you can see, mine's well black, and that's because I use it as a frying pan as well. Now obviously it is a plate, so you can have your butties or whatever on it, but like I say, I do cook on it. It has lost a little bit of shape, as you'll see here, but it has been bashed around all in my bergan, been in some red hot fires, and it's done some extensive travelling all over to Sweden, Scotland and all over with me. I originally got the idea from MCQ, so thank you MCQ. Pros and cons: its size, its weight are definitely all an advantage. But saying that, it's ultra lightweight, so you're not going to get a lot in it. I mean, I struggle, if I'm doing mine and Lily's breakfast, I struggle to do everything in one go. So, you know, I have to cook twice, but a lot of people won't have that problem. But yeah, it's a lovely cracking bit of kit, super strong, and I would definitely give this a right solid 9 out of 10. Probably the only reason it's dropped a mark there is just because it has warped a little bit, but that might have been from me. So there we are, you can just make it out there, the Life Venture. I don't know if you can actually on that camera, but yeah, that's the Life Venture titanium plate.